to season 15 of Ram News.
On today's episode, we're going to be covering Question of the Week,
Career Academy,
Student of the Month,
Ram Restaurant,
State Jazz Choir,
Boys Track,
and Entertainment. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you in the outro.
What was your favorite part of spring break?
I'd say probably working a roping event in Denison. That was pretty cool. It was pretty fun to do, so it was a lot of fun.
My favorite part about spring break was having fires and hanging with my friends.
Watching Iowa State play and being with my friends.
My favorite part of spring break was going to Hawaii.
What was your favorite part of spring break?
Definitely hanging out with my friends.
Going to Tennessee.
Probably going to Omaha and playing Top Golf.
What was your favorite part of spring break?
I traveled to see a friend in Kansas City who I haven't seen in 3 years. I read 2 books and I spent some time outside walking, so that was really nice.
My favorite part of spring break was being able to sleep in all day.
What was your favorite part of spring break?
Going to Arkansas to see my family.
I'm Matthew Hovick, staying here with Miss Green to learn about the 6 strands of the Career Academy in our high school.
Hi everyone, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the Career Academy and the 6 career pathways that we offer to students. Currently we offer them to juniors and seniors, so if you are a freshman or sophomore or junior right now, you may be thinking, what am I going to take next year? So we're going to talk to you more about this during the registration process, but just to kind of give you a heads up, we have 6 career pathways. One of them is right here. This is the culinary and hospitality. We have healthcare next door. On down the hall, we have computer science. We also have agriculture, IT. We have advanced manufacturing, welding, and we have construction. And we are going to build a new house next year, so that's kind of a fun thing. The Career Academy runs in the morning. Currently, it's periods 1, 2, and 3, and we would like for you to sign up for a full year. So if you think you want to do healthcare, you would do healthcare for the full year. You would have that periods 1, 2, and 3, and then you'd go back to the high school to take some classes over there. One advantage to our Career Academy is that we are connected to the high school. The great thing for you kids is that you can take classes here in the morning, and then you can go back to the high school in the afternoon. Let's say that you try it and you don't like it, they will come in as electives, but let's say you try it and you like it, it will go towards your major at wherever you go when you leave here. So yeah, it's a really good thing, and these credits will transfer to any school. We are accredited and they will transfer for you.
Beyond college credits, what else does the Career Academy offer?
Yeah, so we have some internship programs available, and we also have an apprenticeship program available, and we're working on some other ones for you. So those would be good possibilities for you. In closing, I would just like to say this is a great opportunity for all of the students in Greene County. We are currently going out to surrounding schools to invite their students to come here to the Career Academy as well. But this is such a great thing for you kids. It's free tuition, free books, and it kind of gives you a jump start on your college education or your plans after high school, like if you want to go directly into the workforce. So this is a true gift that we have here in Greene County, and we are so fortunate that we have this. And I'm very happy to talk to any of you and your parents if they would like to come in, or if you would like to come into my office at any time, just let me know.
Thank you, Miss Green.
Why do you think you were chosen for Student of the Month?
Just showing up to school every day and doing my work, probably.
What are your future plans after high school?
To attend Iowa Central.
What extracurricular activities are you involved in?
Currently I'm involved in NHS and golf.
What are your hobbies outside of high school?
None.
All right. Hey Blake Heyman, why do you think you deserve Student of the Month?
Probably just because I get my stuff done on time, and I show up to all my classes prepared and don't skip school.
Good, good. What extracurricular activities are you involved in?
Baseball, basketball, football. That's about it.
That's about it, okay. What are your hobbies outside of school?
Just chill at home, play good old Apex Legends, and I don't know, sports, I guess.
All right, that's it.
Restaurant went.
Ram Restaurant went really well the first week. We had lots of customers. The students did a really good job waiting tables. We had up to 35 people, I think, in the dining room one day. So there was a lot of things going on, and they seemed to execute it really well.
They come in to eat at our restaurant.
The easiest way is to call ahead a couple days. If you're a student and you want to eat, then let us know a couple days as well. Just come into the restaurant and order.
What's your favorite part about teaching this class?
My favorite part is seeing the students grow from being able to not sure how to wait tables and work with the public to loving that part of it.
What is your favorite part about taking Ram Restaurant?
Probably preparing the food. You get to learn how to make new things.
I think the first week of Ram Restaurant went.
I feel like it went pretty good, and we learned how to do new stuff.
How long have you taken this class?
All 4 years of high school.
What's your favorite thing about this class?
Serving the community.
How do you think the first week went?
Pretty good.
When are Jazz Championships, and what will we be performing?
Well, Wyatt, Jazz Championships are this coming Tuesday, the 29th at Valley High School. We'll be performing September in the Rain, One for My Baby, and Cinnamon and Clove.
How does our jazz group compare to earlier in the year?
We've improved a lot, especially in our last song. Dynamics-wise, we've gotten a lot better at getting very loud and very quiet, and just in general, we've improved a lot.
All right, thank you.
What it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking in and hit me get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad we're walking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Grown music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker soup game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Now, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark week. Raw, time to go off, gone, deuces goodbye. I got a world to see, and my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer, nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now, sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was.
My name is Parker Lehman, and I'm here to report breaking news.
There has been a vote to pass a taco bar instead of the learning stairs that has been declined. The students are upset because they did not get a say in whether or not this vote would pass. I have an anonymous source that will give us some more information that I am interviewing.
You have blurred my face. Yes. And my voice has been modulated. Yes. I need to feel safe. Yes. All right. So, I have it on good authority that it was a choice between a taco bar and the learning stairs, and that the teacher heroes, I don't want to say their names, but their initials are Lucas Boyd, Kelly Gray, and others, decided to go with learning stairs rather than taco bar. They are a dictatorial cabal that is involved, and they abuse good, honest teachers. I don't want to say who, but I've heard that someone named like Derek Jackson is one. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure who the teachers that are being abused might be.
The taco bar vote not passing is sad, but what's even sadder is that we have to stay with our fellow seniors even longer than we already have to. I'm going to talk with Mr. Kyle Kenny about why this is.
I definitely don't want to do this, but I don't know why I have to be the bearer of bad news. So we got some notification from the state as far as we've always had 190 days be the amount of days that students have to do. So we've always done that. But for seniors, we've always allowed them to get out a little bit early. Well, we were told during an audit of how we do things through the state that we're not allowed to do that. So now seniors have to do the same amount of days that all the other kids do. So we're going to have to bump graduation to Memorial Weekend. And so I know it's not going to be popular among the seniors as far as that they're going to have to go to more school. That's, I think, 8 more days of school that they have to do, and it is going to be required. They're going to have to do. They're not going to be able to take their finals until. I'm a positive person. I mean, you know that I'm a pretty positive person. So, I mean, it's another week and a half that you get an opportunity to learn something, which is pretty cool. So
I'm sure some students are happy that their friends that are seniors get to stay just a little longer, but I'm sure the seniors will be happier to hear that this has been fake news with Parker Lehman.
Hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode and tune in for next week.
Have a great day.